The world is calling. It's a vast, beautiful place filled with endless possibilities and adventures waiting to be discovered. Are you ready to answer? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step starts with you. Traveling for the first time can be daunting. It's also exciting. The thrill of the unknown, the anticipation of new experiences. The unknown awaits, filled with new experiences and adventures. Every corner of the world has a story to tell, and it's waiting for you to listen. Remember your first trip to a new place? The thrill, the wonder, that feeling of stepping into a new world full of possibilities? You're about to feel that again, but on a global scale. Preparation is key. From packing the right gear to having your documents in order, every detail matters. Don't worry, we'll navigate this together. You're not alone in this journey. We'll be with you every step of the way. We'll cover everything from packing to budgeting. Knowing how to manage your expenses can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Let's make your first journey unforgettable. Capture every moment, cherish every memory, and make the most of every experience. As a seasoned traveler, I've learned a lot, sometimes the hard way. Each trip has taught me valuable lessons. Once, I landed in Rome without my luggage. It was a challenging experience, but it taught me resilience and adaptability. Talk about a learning experience. These moments, though tough, make for the best stories and memories. Don't worry, I've got your back. With my guidance, you'll be ready for anything that comes your way. We'll make sure you're prepared for anything. From the moment you step out of your door to the time you return, you'll be ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Packing can be stressful. My advice? Pack light. It's easier to manage. Plus, you'll have room for souvenirs. Start with the essentials: comfortable shoes, versatile clothing, and your camera. A good rule of thumb is to pack for a week and then cut it in half. You'll be surprised how little you actually need. Remember, they have stores everywhere. Forgot something? No problem. You can buy it at your destination. It's all part of the adventure.
Know you've been a good friend.
Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, you can enjoy your trip without overspending. Set a budget and stick to it. Research free activities and attractions in the area. Local markets and street food are your friends. They offer affordable and delicious options. They provide a true taste of the culture without the high prices of restaurants. One of my favorite travel hacks? Credit card rewards. They can save you a lot of money. Many cards offer travel points and miles. Accumulate them for significant savings. Use them for flights, hotels, or even tours. It can make a big difference in your budget. It's like getting free money for your trip. Who wouldn't want that? Always factor in a little extra for unexpected expenses. It's better to be prepared. You never know when a delicious pastry or a unique craft might catch your eye. These little surprises make your trip memorable. Section 4. Destinations. From iconic cities to hidden gems. Choosing your first destination is exciting. Do you dream of bustling cities or tranquil beaches? Historic landmarks or natural wonders? Let your passions guide you. For first-timers, I recommend starting with a well-trodden path. Europe, Southeast Asia, or North America offer diverse experiences. They're also beginner-friendly, with plenty of resources and support for travelers. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Some of my most memorable experiences were in unexpected places. Research hidden gems, local festivals, and off-the-radar attractions. Section 5. Embrace the unknown. Discover yourself. Traveling is more than just checking off a list of destinations or ticking boxes on an itinerary. It's about embracing the unknown, pushing your boundaries, and discovering yourself. You'll encounter different cultures, try new foods, and meet people with fascinating stories. You'll see the world from a fresh perspective, gaining insights that you never imagined. Remember, it's okay to feel a little lost. In fact, getting lost can lead to the most unexpected and rewarding experiences. That's part of the adventure. Every twist and turn adds to your story. Be open to new experiences, talk to locals, and immerse yourself in their way of life. Let yourself get swept away by the journey. Travel teaches us patience, flexibility, and the beauty of spontaneity. It fosters an appreciation for the world's diversity and the richness of human connections. It's a transformative experience that stays with you long after you return home, shaping your worldview and enriching your life. Section 6. Your journey awaits. Share your travel dreams. So, where will your first adventure take you? Share your dream destinations in the comments below. Have any questions about planning your trip? I'm here to help. Remember, the world is full of incredible places waiting to be explored. Pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let the journey begin. Stay tuned for more travel tips, tricks, and tales from the road. Happy travels!